Hi everybody, welcome to Top Tips on BCDs. Let's dive straight in. I see too many divers struggling to stay down, looking at their inflator and pushing the button as hard as they can, but they do forget that it doesn't matter how hard you press that button, if it's not at the highest point, gas won't escape. Gas inside of your BCD always wants to get to the highest point, so if you're struggling to get gas out of your BCD, turn your shoulders so that the inflator is now the highest point and lift it up as high as you can so that the gas can actually get to it. After you've vented gas from your BCD, stop pressing the button. If you vent a lot, then your BCD will actually fill up with water. If you take an empty bottle underwater and just take the lid off, what happens? It's going to start filling up with water. Over a few dives, your BCD will actually start to fill up with water. So after the dive, find that kidney dump on your right or your left-hand side, lean down towards it and then give it a tug. You'll probably find there's some water leaking out of the inside of your BCD. And if you're traveling, you don't want that extra weight in your baggage allowance. Most of the clips and buckles on your BCD will make a noise when you close them correctly. If anything goes in and doesn't click, make an audible noise, it's probably not secure. Every weight pouch, put it in and then listen for a click. Cam bands, they should clamp down with a serious clang around your cylinder for a secure fit. If there's just a weak kind of clunk, it might not be done up properly. Your weight could suddenly fall out during the dive, your tank could slip, straps undo, so make sure that everything is clipped up properly before you jump in the water. The inside of your BCD is a sealed plastic bag. You need to clean the inside of your BCD more than the outside, because when you orally inflate your BCD and push that purge button, it's going to push a little bit of that stored air inside of the BCD inside of your mouth, and that's exactly where the bacteria wants to get. Packing your BCD away for any length of time, you should put a bit of gas inside of it. Empty all of the water out of the bladder and then inflate it just a little bit so that the sides of the bladder aren't touching themselves. If they are, then it can actually stick and then bind over time. But don't inflate it completely, because that can actually strain on the seams and damage your BCD. Okay, so that was top tips. If you have any top tips that you've come across in your diving career, let us know down in the comments below. Thank you for watching, everybody, and of course, safe diving.